on-site museum.
Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything.
The population of bugs here is multiplied. Real loud. For no reason. No.
Hey there, Delilah. What's it like in New York City?
Oops, did I turn it off? Alright. Sorry for this poor lighting, but good morning. It is currently 2:40 in the morning, Sunday, July 14th, and your girl's about to go. So I'm nervous, but it is what it is. We're gonna be there for like a week and then obviously come back. But I'm just gonna like vlog or film and take pictures of the activities and the things that we do there. My first time filming like in a long time. Like I literally haven't filmed in almost over a year, which is crazy. I've just been busy. But I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can right now. It's just a little weird because I've never really done this before, like being in the airport and all that stuff. But I'm just gonna get us filming, maybe not going to the airport. I don't know. I'm just filming what I can, and then when we get there also film and stuff. I just can't wait to see what the montage looks like in the beginning, because I do plan on doing like a montage of like what to expect in today's video and stuff like that, because this is like, when I tell you it's been forever, I literally have not edited, filmed, or anything in like almost a whole year.
Because your girl's been busy.
And then if you can look at my page, you can also see that I haven't like posted anything in almost over a year. See you guys when we get to the airport or when we're on the plane, because we're supposed to be taking like 2 planes or something like that. So.
Because. Oh, I got the nice seat.
So, what do you have to say?
I don't want to be here.
Why not?
Because I could be asleep right now.
You put it up front.
You would?
I wonder how much money they get.
Goodness. This is so cool. Yeah, this is so okay.
Make sure you got your ticket. What you got?
So how was your plane ride?
It's a little scary. The guy next to me is creepy and freak.
73 ATL.
Yes, hold on.
The next stop is for F gates. F as in Foxtrot.
I was trying to hold on.
You're here, and we hope to see you again soon.
How was your plane ride?
It was great, but I had 2 little meddling kids bothering me.
Oh, them 2 kids, they go to the damn noise?
They kept kicking on my seat.
Oh, they told his mom, excuse me, could you please?
No, but it didn't really bother me until like the last 20 minutes.
But they was unruly.
Yeah. Why are you calling him a gentleman?
What'd you say?
So anybody trying to go to Montreal?
I think they checking me out.
Bruh.
Be real quick. The hoods is watching.
What are your first thoughts?
No, it's too hot. Like, come on now.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, bro.
Ooh.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. I think I got W wrist.
You good there, buddy?
My fault.
Was I even in front of you?
Good trees.
But I'm tight. That's what it is. Understand?
Oh, my battery's gonna die. Wow. This is so cool. Cool. Cute. It is day, what, 3?
Yeah. It's day 3.
Day 3.
And we out.
We're just walking around. This is like the Barbie house over here, you know. These people are living in like Beverly Hills or something.
And they be saying they do rubbish.
But it's very nice out. I mean, it's a little too humid for me, but it is what it is. Yeah. Ew. Ew, I look weird. Look at the dog.
Don't pet it.
Yeah, we can't pet these guys. They could have all sorts of diseases. Probably worse than cats, honestly.
Well, cats aren't.
To be like, oh, I walked all this way just for me to turn around.
Oh, you think they going?
We out here in Orange Walk, you know the vibes. Yeah. I want to rent a bike for some reason.
Like when he had his family members that come. It's just part of land that Joe built.
That's it? Oh, it is? So what do I do? Am I supposed to... Oh, I'm good. I'm good? Oh, out here. I don't know about the preschools, but you might have to. Somebody must have passed away. Right.
It's a cormorant. It's a duck. The stick, right? Come see the stick?
Yeah.
The one is a... My name is Colin. I'm freshwater fish, 28 species. Freshwater turtle, 5 species. The largest, deepest body of freshwater you can find in the country of Belize. Alright? We pay our fee and then we get to visit 5% of the city. There's about 2 temples around in the side climbing the buildings. Alright? There is restroom at Lamanai, there is gift shop at Lamanai, and there is an on-site museum at Lamanai.
Ooh.
Are we ready
Oh, we're ready.
for this roller coaster ride?
Yes.
Sandy, if you
It's over 20 miles an hour. Alright guys, the boat will tip or lean on side to side, but it will not tip over. other side. The fruit or the trees grow, they glue. That's what the Mayans get their glue from. They look like Elmers, but better than Elmers.
Hey vlog, we out here hiking internationally though.
I call it this one here, we call it, the Mayans refer to it as pishoy. It's a base cedar tree. Base cedar tree. Huge. A lot of bats in there, right? Okay.
Screaming.
The Mayans use the coconut nut to make oil, and you, all right? That's 100 years old. See guys, 100 years old cocoon palm. But the tree starts as leaves. All right? The palm with the longest leaves. The leaves is used to make wood, filled by the Kachi Maya.
That is so disrespectful.
Put your hands to the constellations, the way you should be saying my sensation.
This palm right here. This palm right here, guys. That's the bay palm or the heart of palm. The Mayans use it to make roof, make their thatch roof. All right, it lasts 8 years on the roof. The cocoon palm leaf lasts about 5 years. This one here, 5 years. Look at the big chunk, guys. Burn to cut down, they burn to carve out the tree, and that's what they used to make canoes. Here, they didn't carve up here. They didn't build it here. So it was little elements. The spider monkey was a symbol of acrobacy. They're so fast. They can spider monkey cover 10 miles a day, while howler monkey cover 1 mile a day.
Oh, he's getting the mosquitoes biting him too. Look.
He said a right amount.
The city is built and made out of limestone. The city flourished in the classic period, which is the golden age for the Maya. The city flourished about 70 to 80,000 Mayans. All right, where are these people? City. Yes. Foundation started around 1974. Excavation ended in around 19. Archaeologists about 12 years to map the city. There is no more plan to open more. They will keep working on the same 5%. There's still some buried there. There's some more buried there. There's some more buried, and there's more underneath this. All right. When archaeologists tunnel horizontally and vertically in the city, you found out the city was built like an onion. Right. So guys, use your imagination. Tunnel down here, guys. There's a lot more which belong to generations and generations, which are not Mayans. All right. The feature, these are not Mayans. These are Africans. Right. You're seeing ourselves right there. Right. So the head is coming up from a crocodile mouth, guys. Right. According to archaeologists, that's life. Mayans, that's the Mayan method, life after death. All right. So the Olmecs, guys, some say they come from Mexico. That's what they call it Olmecas. Or mass on it at one time, which represent several gods. But the ones down here, the building was dedicated to the rain god, which is the god of rain and fertility. See the faces down here? All rain god have their tongues sticking out, they peek and they're thirsty. But these ones are snapped off or break off already. Yeah. All right. So this building is was constructed around 100 BC. That made him the tallest pre-classic in Belize. The second tallest pre-classic. This fort is dated from this is the building, guys. This is a building with big steps. These are not built to climb. This was concrete city. All right. Any question?
Guys, man.
It sounds like rain.
Can't wait to get back on that boat.
I can't wait to get back in 18.
Let me read it. Let me read it.
I don't even know.
We found out the Spaniards mispronounced the name. They say Lamanay. Lamanay means submerged bug. The right pronunciation is.
They warned the others. What's up, brother? I am not about this life. Look at all this moss.
So guys, maze, all right? See what you're seeing is all full of walls, rooms, a lot of rooms over that side. Again, more rooms. There's a courtyard. This house would have served for one big family of either 20 or 30 according to our images. But this room they found plumbing, indoor plumbing. This would be maybe the bathroom. All right. So underneath this house there is 5 more generations buried underneath this. This is the 6th. This house belongs to the 6th generation. After the archaeologists removed the flooring, that had been crumbled. They removed the flooring, and that's how archaeologists stumbled across all of this. They found bleachers all down there, guys. See bleachers, courtyard. So some great events, something big happened here. Rooms have beds, and these beds are stone beds. That's a stone bed right there, guys, behind me. That's a stone bed right there. All right. The mats would have paved the top and used like mats for the top. This wall would have measured like 10 feet high, and the roof was made out of stone. Alright, but the house was literally, they might have destroyed, so to put something else on top of it. Alright?
I remember this spot.
I usually start my 4 different like sometimes start from here, sometimes start from here. Check this out, man. So pretty. Yeah, this is. I left this for last because the sun was over it when we came in, and now this is like. Now it's better now. That was a good choice. Yeah. The Mayans believe the sun burned from the east side and the sun set over the west side of the building, and the sun have 9 steps inside, big steps, 9 layers, representation of the 9 years of the underworld. I'm
going to show them.
Center plot. Let's walk down there, guys.
You're gonna climb it?
Yeah, I'll climb it.
Holy shit.
I see it.
It looks like a pig. I mean, it's supposed to be it's a jaguar mask. It's a jaguar mask, but it looks like a pig. It's giving Minecraft. Has mushrooms? Oh no, those are rocks.
No, they didn't do anything to that. That's what it looked like.
You going?
Oh.
These stairs, it's not like on the side.
I was gonna ask you to wash my back. Oh my god, what are you running to me for?
You don't want to.
Here, you can wash my bag.
Not good.
Are you going up the steps? Or
yes.
No,
No, we're still going up here.
oh my. We only go up the first layer.
My bad.
Not you breathing at me saying this is light. Holy shit.
Nah, I'm not doing this. Because we got to come back down.
Just lean forward a little bit. Did you just skip a step? You just skipped a step.
Unless you want something like this, like everyone going around.
Oh, hell no.
Mama!
She can't see us.
Monty, don't do it. Don't do it. It's not worth it.
Oh yeah.
Yo, stop being so heavy, bro. You need some water? Not as heavy, chill. I got asthma. And I'm scared of heights.
What you racking?
Hey, do it with me, do it with me.
Your legs are burning?
That's my thighs too.
Oh,
That's not fair.
we're gonna be up here in the shade. These stairs are not like.
I can feel the
Ugh. Oh. Nobody told you to be on my ass. Oh, Lord have mercy.
Monty, come up, it's worth it.
If you can. She's trying to get a picture.
You're in the shade.
Yeah, it's a nigga in his natural habitat.
Oh my God.
See, so you go there for that second every turn. You could really go, but that's too many balloons as you
All
can
the
see.
mosquitoes.
You can see over there.
Now, that's gonna be a good clip. This better than that.
Oh.
How do I even get up here?
Yes. Yes. Mi no hables
English?
mi no hablo inglés, so mi hablo.
I can't breathe. Let's go.
So think what that building, guys, red with gold all over it. With the sun, building with the blue, and that's up to from 22 foot high, all the way up there to the tree, the hoops. Yeah. So it was built slantways, so there is, these would be like 5 aside. Each captain have 5 planes. Fire. They will put propel, which is a sap, which is very flammable, light the ball, and that's how, so you can see the ball, and they...
Wow. The population of bugs here is multiplied. Like when I tell you they were buzzing really loud in my ear for no reason. Buzzing in my ear, real loud, for no reason. Multiple bug bites. No. Yeah, I mean I like the climbing part because you know me and my like exercise workout.
Ooh, here's some nice plants, man. Do it again. Do it again. Get in the center.
It's a surreal feeling. We made it.
Okay, that kind of. Just saying.
No, he told us he's
Yeah, I'm
gonna
not getting up on the deck.
He's getting ready to get that one right there.
Oh, he's huge. Put it more down. More.
Nah, that hurt.
It's your turn now.
It's better up here, right? No.
Yeah, right there. It's better up here.
Definitely feel that. Are you gonna do it?
Come on, Mabel. Come on, basketball.
Is there another one? No. You want another one? Why are you afraid?
What is that little fish? The little one. They eat you.
Yeah, you ever seen a video of some guy, like, he fed it with his mouth and puts it in, like, best out in the tank?
very pretty. I can't wait till the lights turn on at night.
It is Friday.
Very fan of
What day? Wait, what number day is it? It's Friday.
The 19th or the 18th?
No, it's the 19th.
This is nice. Even though I saw lunch over there, it's fine, you know?
You?
Nobody.
That's all I was saying.
How you like the view?
It's cool, it's cool. I like the
You're so